The 2026 Chevy Camaro 427 is more than just another model in Chevrolet's legendary lineup. It is a celebration of pure American muscle, modern engineering, and a nod to the glorious past of high-performance Camaros. The 427 badge carries serious weight in muscle car history, representing brute force, raw displacement, and unmatched performance, and Chevrolet has brought it back in 2026 to remind the world that the Camaro still knows how to dominate the road and the track. The design of the 2026 Camaro 427 is instantly recognizable, yet thoroughly modernized. Chevrolet has given the car a low, wide stance with sculpted lines that flow aggressively from front to back. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille, flanked by narrow LED headlights that give the car a menacing stare. A vented hood proudly hints at the power beneath, while the aerodynamic enhancements, including a front splitter and rear diffuser, showcase its track-ready personality. The wide fenders accommodate performance tires wrapped around lightweight alloy wheels, while quad exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler give the Camaro 427 an unmistakably muscular rear profile. Every angle of the car communicates speed, strength, and heritage. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, the legendary 7.0-liter V8 engine, producing an incredible 650 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated monster is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer lightning-fast shifts. The Camaro 427 roars to life with a sound that is both aggressive and intoxicating, reminding enthusiasts why big displacement engines still hold a special place in the world of performance cars. Acceleration is breathtaking, with the Camaro 427 launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated muscle cars available. But the 2026 Camaro 427 isn't just about straight-line speed. Chevrolet has tuned its chassis to deliver outstanding handling, giving it agility that matches its raw power. A performance-tuned suspension system, magnetic ride control, and Brembo brakes ensure that the car feels planted and responsive in corners while offering precision and control on both track days and regular roads. The rear-wheel drive setup provides a classic muscle car driving feel, while the advanced traction and stability systems give drivers the confidence to push the car to its limits. This is a Camaro designed not only to accelerate in a straight line, but to carve through bends with authority. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Camaro 427 blends performance-focused design with modern technology. The driver-focused cockpit features bolstered sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a customizable digital instrument cluster that displays everything from lap times to G-force data. A large central touchscreen provides access to Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, complete with navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Despite its raw performance credentials, the Camaro 427 also delivers comfort and convenience, with premium materials, ambient lighting, and advanced connectivity options. Safety and driver assistance features are also part of the package, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, and a suite of airbags. While the car remains unapologetically performance-focused, Chevrolet ensures that drivers and passengers still enjoy a safe and confident driving experience. The philosophy behind the 2026 Camaro 427 is simple. It's a car built to honor Chevrolet's muscle car heritage while proving that big displacement engines still have a place in the modern world of electrification and downsizing. The 427 badge is a symbol of raw power and performance, and this car lives up to its name by delivering the most thrilling driving experience in the Camaro lineup. It's not just another sports car. It's a statement that the spirit of American muscle is alive and stronger than ever. The 2026 Chevy Camaro 427 is aimed at enthusiasts who crave authenticity, performance, and the thrill of driving a car that feels alive in their hands. It combines iconic styling, an earth-shaking V8, modern technology, and a finely tuned chassis to create one of the most exciting muscle cars of this generation. For those who want a piece of history reborn and reimagined, the Camaro 427 offers the perfect blend of tradition and innovation. This isn't just a Camaro, it's the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Chevy Camaro 427 carries the muscle car torch proudly, reminding us why the Camaro remains one of the most iconic names in American automotive history. With its powerful V8, aggressive design, and modern refinement, it redefines what it means to drive a true muscle car in today's world.